Hey everyone, wondering what Ylang Living has this month on sale on the promos? Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you what they are and I'm going to tell you how you can use them. Alright, hey there, I am Jen from Jenalistic and I haven't done one of these videos in a while, but I've had a couple requests to start doing them again. So once a month, I'm going to come on live, or not live, but come on, and I'm going to tell you about Ylang Living's promos for the month and how you can use those promos. So it's great to get free stuff, but if you get it and you don't actually know what to do with it, what's the use? So I'm going to tell you a few ways on how you can use the different items and just really how awesome it is. So if you're not on ER, I would definitely suggest that, which is Essential Rewards. I'm not going to go through all that. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube you can figure out how to do that. But it's one of the best things. And everyone's like, oh my gosh, Jen, how did you get so many oils? Well, I've been with Ylang Living for 4 or 5 years. And a lot of those are the promos that Ylang Living gives out every month. So that's how I kind of got most of mine. So this month at the 100 PV level, so when you spend $100, doesn't matter if you're on ER or if it's just a regular $100 order, you're gonna get free shipping. So that's their new thing that they started a few months ago, so it's always free shipping. So kind of a bummer, it's not an oil, but it's also kind of a plus because you don't have to worry about the shipping, which is kind of nice, you know. It could go either way, so I'm okay with it. So at the 190 PV level, you can get Ylang Ylang, which is this one right here. And so this one is got a really great floral kind of smell to it. So it's made with Ylang Ylang flowers, and it's really fun to say too. So this was out of stock for a long time. So I'm glad to see it's back, and I'm glad to see it's free because I have about half of this bottle left, and that's all I have. So this one it's great for just diffusing on its own because it has such that nice floral scent to it. It's also really great for use if you want to make your own perfumes. Check out Melissa Pepping. She's got a whole book of recipes that you can use. So this one is used in a lot of them. It's really great for your skin. So if you just add, a drop or two to your favorite lotion, it'll help with your skin. And it also, the smell of it, because of that floral, I think, it gives you that like confidence and kind of like a peace because it's so like flowery. You feel like you're just like in a garden. Can't stop smelling it. All right, so that is Ylang Ylang. So that's at the 190. If you're on ER, you're also going to get Patchouli. So this is, you may have heard this, very popular in the 60s, Patchouli. But this is different stuff. This complements the Ylang Ylang really, really nice. It's also great for making like men's cologne. So like this is women's perfume. This would be like men's cologne. Ooh, it does get a little stuck. Like mine right now, I can't even open it. It is a thicker one, so I haven't opened mine in a while. Ooh, okay, I guess we're gonna leave this one closed. Can't even spell it. I'll have to get my little rubber thing to open it later. It's a little stuck. But this is another one that's really good for your skin. And this is another one when you diffuse it, it promotes a lot of clarity of your thoughts. So I think they kind of work like the same way. Like when you're just sitting in a garden, you kind of get that nice peaceful kind of, figure everything out kind of mood. So those two are the 190 PV. So at the 250 is my favorite oil of all. I love this one. This is Stress Away. So this one, I call it my little beach in a bottle. I love this one so much. This one I seriously use probably almost a bottle every month. I diffuse it all the time. I also apply it topically a lot. It helps me a lot when I'm working. In my job, sometimes I get a little bit stressful, and it's really nice. It kind of just brings you down a little bit. It helps me think. This, it must be the theme. It helps you think. Everything is like kind of helping you think. But it really just kind of calms me down so that I can actually get some thoughts out. So I really like this one. I like this one too. It's really great to, when you're taking a bath, grab some Epsom salts, put a couple drops in it and put it in your bath water. It's really good, again, to relax yourself and just clear your thoughts. That's why too, we also have bath bombs that are made with this you can purchase, or you can just use the Epsom salt. They also have this in a roller ball too. but I think just the regular stress away one works perfect. Like I said, I use it all the time. Well, I love it. I put a couple drops right on the back of my neck all the time, or sometimes on my wrists too. And of course you gotta smell it. This one I love, I love, I love. So I'm so happy to get another free bottle. So that's great. So at the 300 PV level is Sacred Frankincense. This one's not open, so I'm not gonna open it. I actually have a bigger bottle open over there, but it's the 5 milliliter of Sacred Frankincense. So I'm sure you probably heard of frankincense. That one comes in your starter kit. And this is just like, take frankincense up just a notch. So this one I think is really great. It's another one, it's a great grounding oil, a great oil to just kind of ground yourself and to clear your head, you know, get really good thinking, really great for meditating, that kind of thing. It's also great for your skin. So it's just another great one. If you want to put a drop or two in your lotion and put it on your face, this is a great oil. So the other one is a newer one, which came out convention last year, and it is called One Heart. I don't know, it might be too bright, it's not gonna focus, but this one is another one that has that great perfume smell to it. It's really, really great. This I love just diffusing on its own. Again, it has that floral scent to it. It's another one that kind of has, like, when you diffuse it, it has that gathering, the calming, the peace kind of feeling to it. So again, great. I love diffusing this one in the morning. You know, when you're just getting started with the day, and it just makes you feel so grateful, or at least it does for me. It was also created to, like, bring people together. So an oil that the world needs right now, right? So you could also definitely use this one as a perfume because it smells great on its own. If you put it with a carrier oil, it'll probably last a little bit. The scent will probably last a little bit longer. So that is an awesome one. This one too, I'm very thankful that it's going to be a free one this month because I only have about half a bottle left of this one. So those are the ones that are on special. Make sure, take advantage of it when you can. This month definitely is a good month to hit that 300 PV because the oils that you get are just such great oils. That Sacred Frankincense and the One Heart, those are just really, really, really great oils. So I hope if you guys haven't had a chance to try them, because I know they are a little bit more expensive oils. So sometimes it's great when you get them free because it's not one that you're going to splurge on. And just definitely take advantage of it. Order that Ninja Red. Get your order up so that you can get this one for free because it is amazing. All right, also this month I want to tell you it's not a special, but you can put on your ER order. They came out with 2 of the new Vitality drops. So I think again last convention was when they came out with the other 2 flavors. So they have 2 new flavors, and these ones have a plus energy to them. So they have a little bit of caffeine in them, which is great. So when you get that afternoon, you get that little slump and you need a little pick-me-up, these are awesome. So I don't have them to show you right now because my order did not come yet. It should probably be here tomorrow, but I didn't want to wait to make the video. So definitely put them on your ER, get them in there. Great to get your points back, and just great to get these freebies. So I will see you guys in the next video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and post them below. Bye.